Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my recent purchase from the Roma flagship store at Fendi. I picked up the new Fendi match sneakers this time around. I'm really excited about these because it's really hard for me to find a pair of sneakers that I really love. Fendi stated on their advertisement saying that these were their new dynamic contemporary tennis-inspired sneakers. I, on another hand, don't think they're really tennis-inspired. It gave me flashbacks and nostalgia of the early 2000s. Think every skateboard kind of sneaker that you could think of, from like DVS to DC to Duffy. These are literally the ultimate skateboarder shoe that has been reinvented, and I have a very hard time finding sneakers that I truly like. So when I was at the store, I was like, I have to try these on. They come in so many different colorways. I decided to go with the more neutral tones because it will match more things, but the terry cloth inner lining is super soft. The suede actually stays pretty clean. I've had these about 2 months now and I haven't really gotten them dirty. I did have a color transfer from a pair of leather pants, but I was able to clean that up right away. They're super comfortable. There's a foam padding on the insole and you can definitely wear these all day long. I totally think it's worth it. The price point for a designer sneaker, it's under $1,000 compared to Chanel sneakers, which are going around $13.95 nowadays. And it's definitely a different type of sneaker that you won't see everybody wearing. So I think it's definitely an investment if you want more of a skater girl vibe. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to tune in and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And let me know in the comments below if you like to see more unboxings, kind of product reviews. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.